Good day everyone, I'm Aloysius Escalante. Today I will be discussing three types of training programs that are commonly used in organizations. These are new employee onboarding program, product knowledge training, and compliance training. Each of these training programs serves a specific purpose in helping employees perform better and contribute effectively to the success of the company. Let's talk about each one in detail. First, we have the new employee onboarding program. This is usually the very first training that a new hire experiences. The main objective of onboarding is to help employees adjust to their new environment and understand how the organization works. When someone joins a new company, they often feel nervous of, or unsure about what to do. So the onboarding program helps them by introducing them to the company's history, mission, vision, and values. It also explains their specific job responsibilities and most importantly, it helps them connect with their new team members. Through this, new employees learn not only about their roles, but also about the company's culture, how people communicate, what's expected of them, and how they can contribute to a positive work environment. Typically, onboarding happens during the first 2 weeks of employment. During this period, several sessions are conducted, such as company orientations, team introductions, site or office tours, and even short activities to help new hires feel welcome. The materials used for onboarding usually include company handbooks, organizational charts, introductory videos, and even project overviews to help employees understand where they fit in. For example, if you're hired in the marketing department, the onboarding program will introduce you to your teammates, your supervisors, and the projects you'll be working on. It also ensures that you understand the company's goals and how your role contributes to them. Overall, the new employee onboarding program is not just about giving information. It's about making employees feel that they belong and they are ready to start strong. Next, let's move on to the second training, which is product knowledge training. This one is especially important for employees in sales, marketing, and customer service. The main goal here is to ensure that employees fully understand the products or services that the company offers. Having strong product knowledge helps them to communicate confidently with customers, answer their questions clearly, and highlight the benefits of the product in a convincing way. In other words, this training helps build confidence and credibility. When employees know the product inside and out, it becomes easier for them to sell or upsell, even handle customer objections. For example, imagine working in a company that sells technology products. If a customer asks about the difference between two models, a well-trained employee can easily explain which one suits the customer's needs because they know all the product's details. Product knowledge training usually happens through two half day sessions so that employees can focus and absorb informations without feeling overwhelmed. Some of the materials used include product brochures, demo units, videos, frequently asked questions, and case studies that showcase the product's value and performance. By the end of this training, employees should be able to confidently present the product, explain its advantages, and even compare it with competitors. This type of training doesn't just help the company make sales. It also builds trust with customers because they feel that the employees truly understand what they're offering. Now let's proceed to the third one and the final training, which is compliance training. This one focuses on ensuring that all employees follow the laws, policies, and ethical standards of the organization. Every company must comply with certain legal and safety regulations, and this training helps employees to understand what those are and why they matter. The main objective of compliance training is to help employees act ethically, responsibly, and legally in all situations. It also aims to protect the company from potential violations or penalties. Some common topics covered in compliance training include data privacy, workplace safety, anti harassment policies, and codes of conduct. For example, if a company handles customer data, employees must be trained on how to protect that data and respect confidentiality laws. This is not only ensures compliance, but also builds the company's reputation for trust and integrity. Compliance training is usually conducted annually, often during company's compliance week. Nowadays, many organizations use interactive e-learning modules that includes quizzes to assess employee understanding. The materials often include policy handbooks, case studies, and example of real-life scenarios, showing how to apply compliance rules in daily work. This type of training is essential because one mistake like mishandling sensitive information can lead to serious legal issues or loss of customers' trust. So, by conducting compliance training regularly, and companies make sure their employees are responsible, and aligned with ethical standards. Now, to summarize everything we've discussed, there are three major training programs that every organization should prioritize. First, the new employee onboarding program, which helps new hires integrate smoothly and feel part of the company. Second, the product knowledge training, which builds confidence and equips employees to promote and sell products effectively. And third, the compliance training, which ensures that everyone follows laws, regulations, and ethical guidelines. These three trainings are connected. Onboarding sets the foundation, product knowledge builds expertise, and compliance ensures responsibility. Together, they create a well-rounded, capable, and ethical workforce that contributes to the overall growth of the company. In conclusion, employee training is not just about teaching skills. It's about developing people, shaping attitudes, and building a strong company culture. When employees are trained effectively, they become more confident, productive, and aligned with the organization's goals. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening, and I hope you've gained a better understanding of these essential training programs that help both employees and organizations succeed. Thank you so much.